Turning your English upside down, mastering inversion in conditional sentences. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar: inversion in conditional sentences. Now, don't worry if it sounds complex. We're going to break it down, step by step, until you're comfortable creating your own sentences using this technique. So, let's get started. In English grammar, inversion refers to the reversal of the subject-verb order, which we usually do to add emphasis or create a dramatic effect. It often happens in conditional sentences. Normally, we construct a conditional sentence like this: if I were rich, I would travel the world. However, with inversion, we can say, were I rich, I would travel the world. Using inversion can make your English sound more formal or sophisticated. It can also add variety to your language and make your sentences more engaging or interesting. Remember, though, that it is more common in written English, particularly in literary or formal contexts. The rule is simple. You remove the if and switch the places of the subject and the auxiliary verb. For instance, if I had known becomes had I known. Here are some more examples. If she were here, she would understand. Equals greater than were she here, she would understand. If he had studied, he would have passed. Equals greater than had he studied, he would have passed. If we should arrive late, call us. Equals greater than should we arrive late, call us. Now, it's your turn. Try to use inversion in conditional sentences. Start with simple sentences, like, if I were a bird, I would fly, and then move on to more complex ones. Here's how you invert the example. Were I a bird, I would fly. Some prompts to get you started. 1. If I had a lot of money, I would donate to charity. 2. If he were more careful, he wouldn't make so many mistakes. 3. If they should call, tell them I'm busy. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep trying until you get comfortable with inversion. And that's a wrap on inversion in conditional sentences. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this concept. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become. Don't hesitate to rewatch this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning and see you in our next video.